biodiversity crisis cannot be solved without the private sector. There is not enough land protected and in public ownership across the world to provide the habitats that we need for a vibrant, colourful, natural world. By contributing its lands to the biodiversity crisis, the private sector makes a very important statement, but also a very important action towards creating healthy ecosystems and healthy habitats. But also the private sector, by leveraging their employees and connecting into their community, brings a unique human element whereby the employees get engaged and get educated and get hands-on experience of building nature back and building strong habitats. And through that experience, they can bring nature home and into the communities in which they live and in which they work. The Wildlife Habitat Council is a global non-profit organisation that works with business to create a framework for meaningful conservation action on corporate lands. Stellantis is a member of WHC and has been a member since 2017. One of my favourite projects with Stellantis is at the US headquarters and technology centre in Auburn Hills. The reason that I like this project is that there are many aspects to it, from a monarch butterfly way station. There's bat conservation is involved, and also pollinator gardens where the employees have gotten engaged. At the test track at the facility, one of the largest heron rookeries in Oakland County is situated in the middle of a wetland at that test track. So as we say at WHC, every act of conservation matters, and whatever you can do in whatever patch of ground that you have to support biodiversity, it all makes a difference in the end.